Imam in the Ismaili tradition. As you know, I was born into a Muslim family, linked by heredity to the Prophet Muhammad, may peace be upon him and his family. My education blended Islamic and Western traditions in my early years and at Harvard, where I majored in Islamic history. And in 1957 I was a junior when I became the 49th hereditary Imam of the Shia Imami Ismaili Muslims, when my grandfather designated me to succeed him. What does it mean to become an Imam in the Ismaili tradition? To begin with, it is an inherited role of spiritual leadership. As you may know, the Ismailis are the only Muslim community that has been led by a living, hereditary Imam in direct descent from Prophet Muhammad. Samuel and Elizabeth Lecturer at Harvard University, November 12, 2015.